Right, butter versus margarine. Which one's actually better for you? Let's do a myth versus fact sprint. Myth. Butter is natural, so it's healthier. Fact. Natural doesn't always mean heart healthy. Butter is mostly saturated fat, which can raise LDL, the bad cholesterol, in many people. Myth. Margarine is basically plastic with chemicals. Fact. Old school margarines used partially hydrogenated oils, trans fats, that did increase heart risk. Modern soft tub margarines in many countries have zero trans fats. Canola, sunflower, olive. Check the label. Myth. Calories decide it. Fact. Both are dense. Butter and margarine are around 70 to 100 calories per tablespoon. The type of fat matters more than the calorie difference on the label. Myth. All margarines are equal. Fact. Nope. Hard sticks tend to have more saturated fat. The softer the spread, generally the more unsaturated fats. Some have plant sterols that can lower LDL by about 5 to 10% when used daily. Myth. Butter raises cholesterol for everyone. Fact. People respond differently. But on average, swapping some butter for unsaturated oils lowers LDL and improves your ratio. Quick science. Butter. Mostly saturated fat. Butter. Tiny bit of naturally occurring trans fat. Butter. Vitamins A and D if fortified. Butter. Great flavor. Soft margarine, non-hydrogenated, more monounsaturated fats. Soft margarine, polyunsaturated fats. Soft margarine, often vitamin fortified. Soft margarine, sometimes plant sterols. Taste and cooking. Butter wins for baking flakiness. Butter wins for browning. Butter wins for that rich taste. For everyday spreading or sautéing, a soft olive or canola-based spread. Olive oil. Use butter for flavor hits, not your main cooking fat. Labels to look for. Non-hydrogenated. 0 grams trans fat. High in mono and polyunsaturated fats. Oils listed first: canola, olive, sunflower. If you see partially hydrogenated, put it back. Health Goals cheat sheet. Want heart smart? Choose soft tub margarine with no trans fats. Even better if it has plant sterols. Love butter. Keep portions small. Think teaspoon, not tablespoon. Balance with olive oil through the day. High LDL or family history. Lean into sterile fortified spreads. Oily fish, nuts, fiber. Bottom line,